Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to spectate in Mobile Legends. Alright, so let's begin. If you're trying to spectate here in Mobile Legends, here's exactly what you're going to want to do. First things first, open up the side menu. You can do this by tapping on the arrow icon on the right side of your screen, and it's going to pull up a page that looks something like your friends list and other options. From here, what you're going to want to do is find one of your friends that you currently have added who is already in a match. You'll be able to see if they are in a game from the status next to their name. Right beside their name, you're going to notice a small spectate icon. It looks like a little eyeball. Simply tap on that eyeball icon and you'll be able to watch their game live. The match will load and you'll enter spectator mode, where you can see everything happening in real time, including team fights, rotations, and objectives. It's really as simple as that, and it's actually a pretty cool feature available in Mobile Legends. And that's it. This is how you can spectate in Mobile Legends. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.